Oh, so is that really a frog? It kind of looked like one. Does it make this sound? You're probably well aware that I, Hojo, am the guild master of this exceptional gathering hub. What's that? Your guild registration? Oh, yes. Well, I was getting to it before you interrupted me. Had you let me finish, I would have told you that we're no longer